The HP Laptop 15S, equipped with a 12th generation Intel Core i3 CPU, immerse yourself in vivid visuals, courtesy of its IPS display with anti-glare technology. With superior build quality and a solid keyboard, this machine is designed for durability. A standout feature, a backlit keyboard, a gem at this price. Oh, offering seamless performance and exceptional display quality for all your needs. Include a swift processor speed, excellent screen quality, a backlit keyboard, lifetime Immerse office, a sleek silver finish, lightweight construction, and a satisfactory camera. A few downsides: some users may experience fan noise during high GPU usage, and in my view its speaker quality is average. But there's a quick fix. Use headphones. Ideal for office tasks, but for more intensive tasks like Android Studio, video editing, MATLAB, or Photoshop, consider buying the 16GB variant. Note, the backlit keyboard may impact battery life, and remember, DDR4 RAM is your best bet for power efficiency and future-proofing your investment. And HP laptop 15S has just what I suggest. Share and subscribe for more insightful product reviews.